Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a unique beauty product that promises to make your hair routine a whole lot easier. The Sunber Bye Bye Knots 7x5 Lace Front Glueless Fluffy Natural Loose Wave Curtain Bangs Wig. This 26-inch wig offers a combination of convenience, style, and comfort, all packed into a single ready-to-wear unit. Let's see if it really lives up to its claims. The Sunber Bye Bye Knots wig is made from premium, raw virgin human hair, which is cuticle aligned to ensure a natural flow. This wig features loose wave styling and curtain bangs with a 7x5 lace front and pre-plucked hairline. What sets it apart from others is that it's glueless. No adhesives required, making it ideal for anyone who wants a mess-free, easy-to-use wig. The cap size is designed for medium heads, 22.5 inches, and it comes equipped with adjustable straps, combs, and an elastic band for a secure and comfortable fit. The wig also boasts an upgraded 3D dome breathable cap that helps your scalp breathe freely, ideal for longer wear. The lace front is pre-cut and the knots are pre-bleached, giving you a truly natural-looking hairline. Plus, the 180% density promises volume and fullness, which is something many look for in a natural wig. Now let's talk about how this wig actually performs. I was curious to see how easy this wig would be to incorporate into my routine, especially since it's marketed as beginner-friendly. To my surprise, it really is as simple as slip it on and go. The pre-cut lace and the glueless design are game changers for anyone who's new to wearing wigs or prefers not to mess with glue. It was incredibly easy to get it on and styled within minutes. When it comes to how it feels, the wig is impressively lightweight. The human hair feels soft and silky without any tangling or shedding. I tried wearing it for an entire day, and it was comfortable the whole time, thanks to the breathable cap. The curtain bangs frame the face beautifully, and the loose wave adds a touch of bounce without feeling too heavy or stiff. One thing I really appreciated was how natural it looked. The 7x5 lace front did a fantastic job of blending seamlessly with my skin tone, making the hairline virtually undetectable. The loose wave curls held their shape nicely throughout the day, and the volume was just right, not too heavy, but enough to give a soft, fluffy appearance. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Sunber Bye Bye Knots wig is incredibly easy to use, and the pre-plucked natural hairline ensures a seamless fit right out of the box. The no glue, no mess feature is a huge win, especially for anyone with sensitive skin or those who just don't want to bother with adhesives. The hair itself is soft, tangle-free, and looks incredibly natural, especially with the loose waves and curtain bangs. As for the cons, the main issue I encountered was with the fit. While the medium cap size is generally a good fit, I did find it to be a little snug. It might be uncomfortable for those with larger head sizes, so that's something to keep in mind. Additionally, while the density is great for volume, it can feel a bit too bulky if you prefer something more lightweight. In terms of value for money, I think this wig offers a solid balance. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but considering the quality of the hair, the pre-plucked design, and the beginner-friendly features, it's definitely worth the investment for those looking for a natural, hassle-free wig. The fact that you don't have to worry about adhesives is a major plus, especially for sensitive scalps. If you're comparing this to other similar products on the market, there are definitely wigs in the same price range, but few offer this level of convenience. Many wigs require styling, cutting lace, or dealing with glue. With the Sunber Bye Bye Knots wig, you're saving time and effort. It's truly ready to wear. However, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are alternative options, but they might lack the same level of natural look or comfort. As for the build quality, the materials used are top-notch, from the soft virgin human hair to the high-quality lace. The cap construction is sturdy and well-made, providing a secure fit that stays in place throughout the day. I haven't had the chance to test its longevity over several months, but based on the quality, I'd expect it to last with proper care. I haven't had any direct interaction with Sunber's customer service, but their reputation in the industry is generally positive. Based on my experience, they seem committed to offering a solid product that delivers on its promises, so I would expect a responsive customer service team if needed. In terms of updates, there haven't been any major changes to this particular wig that I'm aware of, but if anything new is released, it would likely continue to build on the same principles of ease of use and natural styling. If you're looking for a similar wig at a lower price point, there are some options out there, but many don't offer the same combination of ease of use, natural styling, and glueless design. You might find a cheaper wig, but it may require more effort in terms of customization and styling. To wrap up, the Sunber Bye Bye Knots wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free, natural-looking wig that's easy to wear and style. Its pre-plucked hairline, glueless design, and breathable cap make it a great option for beginners or anyone who wants to save time without compromising on the look. While it's not the cheapest option, its quality and convenience make it worth the price for those who prioritize ease of use and a natural appearance. If this review helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this wig or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.